Ukrainian Foreign Minister Dmytro Kuleba told EU foreign ministers last week that Ukraine needed 2.5 million artillery shells this year, according to the Financial Times, suggesting a daily requirement of 7,000, but the European Union had sent only 400,000. Ukrainian soldiers fighting near Ukraine's Bakhmut said yesterday that their use of drones is contributing much to their ability to save ammunition. Drones allow them to constantly analyse the battlefield and adjust their fire accordingly. The drones allow us to observe from the sky the exact place of the shell's explosion. Accordingly, we calculate the adjustments more precisely. The tablets allow us to do it very quickly. In such a way, we hit the enemy at maximum efficiency by constantly adjusting fire. This really saves ammunition. The continuing conflict between Ukraine and Russia has highlighted the pivotal role drones play in modern warfare. Ukrainian forces have utilized drones, particularly first-person view models, to target Russian troops and infrastructure more effectively. These drones have been employed to destroy tanks, damage military aircraft, and strike oil refineries and factories within Russian territory. Ukraine aims to acquire 1 million more drones within the next year, with support from Western allies, of course. Despite challenges in acquiring sufficient ammunition, Ukraine views drones as vital tools for maintaining a strategic advantage in the conflict. The Ukrainian army has also benefited from the assistance of private organizations like the Dronarium Academy, which has played a crucial role in training drone pilots, the demand for whom is steadily increasing. Military analysts argue that Ukraine's innovative use of drones has contributed significantly to its ability to resist Russian aggression. The establishment of a dedicated drone-focused branch within the military underscores their importance in Ukraine's defense strategy.